Wahala for friends wey no fit keep secrets. My pipo, e get some friends wey if you tell dem, abeg no tell anoda peson, na dia ministry begin. You go whisper, guy abeg no louder, na only you I dey tell o. I wan change work. Dem go reply you sharp sharp. You know me na, I no dey talk. But 2 hours later, your manager go call you. Congratulations in advance. I hear say you don resign. You go turn 1 minute stammerer instantly. The painful part be say, dem go still act shocked. If you ask dem, dem go say, who tell you say I tell am? I think say he know already. The true talk be say, some secret no suppose pass your pillow. Because some friends wey no fit keep secret fit turn your life to season film. My brother man and sister woman, follow me for more true talk. I salute una. Ado!